It's time for your statewide Alabama weathercast.
It's an Alabama forecast update. This is for Wednesday evening, and let's begin with our sky cam on top of Bald Rock Mountain. This is between Leeds and Pell City, just north of Interstate 20, and it's absolutely pouring at the camera site. Many spots across Alabama getting some really good beneficial rain today, and the storms are not severe. Yes, we have thunder, lightning. You saw the lightning there. Heavy rain, but remember, to be severe, you need 1 inch diameter hail or larger, or 58-mile-per-hour winds or greater. Nothing like that. These are just good old-fashioned thunderstorms. And the heat levels are way down. They're at 70 degrees with that heavy rain falling between Leeds and Pell City. So check this out. This is looking into the same thunderstorm cluster. This is coming from Chehaw State Park. That's the big downpour you saw on the Bald Rock sky cam. That's gradually moving to the east. That will be affecting places like Anniston and Oxford this evening. Down to the western part of the state, this is the sky cam coming from the campus of the University of Alabama. The north end zone of Bryant-Denny Stadium, things are relatively calm there this evening. Down to the south, this is our sky cam in Marengo County. This is southwest of Demopolis at Jefferson. They are dry. Looks like they'll see a great sunset there this evening. Montgomery, some clouds around. And again, statewide, we have these elevated rain chances tonight into tomorrow. Doesn't matter what part of the state you're in. Everybody will be trending dry by the weekend. Beautiful shot coming from Fairhope, Mobile Bay. That's a marvelous scene there. The sky there is partially sunny. And on the Gulf Coast, we are so thankful we do not have any hurricanes or tropical storms. Orange Beach, Perdido Pass, the sky down here is mostly sunny. So we have some dynamics coming into play here. We have an upper trough and a surface front approaching from the west. And notice these colder cloud tops are pushing into Alabama. That represents those heavier thunderstorms. And it's going to be a slow process. So again, we'll maintain an elevated chance of showers and thunderstorms both tonight into tomorrow. During the day today, some of the better rains falling across the northern half of the state and southwest Alabama as well. This evening, heavy rain falling in parts of Clark, Marengo, Choctaw, and Washington counties in southwest Alabama. And again, all of this will gradually be shifting to the east with time. Temperatures where the rain has been falling in the 70s away from the showers. Again today, many spots in the 90s. For example, Dothan up in the mid-90s earlier. This evening, they're currently showing 93. Here's what we're watching. We'll maintain the chance of showers tomorrow and maybe a few strong storms, the better chance of heavier storms south of Interstate 59. And then the weather trends drier by Friday and Saturday. A decent chunk of the weekend ahead will likely be rain-free. Here's the severe weather outlook tomorrow. Keep in mind there are 5 levels of severe risk. 1 is marginal, 5 is high, and this is a low-end marginal risk of severe storms tomorrow along and south of Interstate 59. The counties in green, and like today, there could be a storm with some small hail or strong gusty winds. So we'll take a look at modeling, and remember, the radar will not look exactly like this, but maybe something like this. Tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, modeling suggesting rain mainly south of Interstate 20. The heavier storms will most likely be across the southern half of the state, but still, during the peak of the day, with daytime heating process, there could be a few scattered showers across the northern counties as well. That's 8 o'clock tomorrow night, some of the heaviest rain on the eastern side of the state, if the model works out. Then by Friday morning, most locations dry, maybe some showers for the southeastern part of the state. And during the day Friday, there could be a few small isolated showers, but the weather trending drier as the deeper moisture pulls off to the east, and again, much of the weekend will be dry. New tropical storm on the board. This is Umberto. This is a tropical storm out here with top winds of 40 miles an hour. We're also watching this wave, which is Invest 94L. That could become a tropical storm. In terms of Umberto, the good news, this will not be affecting the United States. This will be moving northeast out to sea. It might be close to Bermuda, which is located right here, and you can see by Monday afternoon, the Hurricane Center showing this with a Category 2, 110-mile-per-hour intensity, but that will ultimately hook northeast out to sea. The other one we'll watch carefully, but both of these should not affect the Gulf. The 7-day forecast looking like this. Still the chance of showers and storms tomorrow. Not raining everywhere, not raining all day. The high 82. Small chance of any one spot getting a shower Friday. And after that, the weather looks pretty dry. Saturday, Sunday, into at least the first half of next week. Highs in the 80s, lows mostly in the 60s. Although we could see some upper 50s in spots early Saturday morning. For the southern half of the state, pretty good chance of showers and thunderstorms both tomorrow and Friday. Still not raining all day. Then Much drier for the weekend. Lots of sunshine Saturday, Sunday. For South Alabama, highs in the 80s and lows in the 60s. That's the Alabama Forecast Update this evening on the Alabama Weather Network.